So I was doing some work at the workshop the other day, guys. Well, actually, to tell the truth, the missus went out to some club or another, 150 ways to cook a bloody fish or whatever they do. And I snuck out to the workshop. I was going to do some work on that truck that I've been fixing up. But then Pete had a couple of bevies and he sort of got a little bit sidetracked. Ended up watching one of my favourite UK TV programs from when Pete was a young fella, like when I was 20, 21. Can you guess what it is? These guys are classic, mate. These guys are classic. It reminds me of myself when I was 21, eh? Can you guys guess what that program was? Put it in the description below. Pete loves it. It's really awesome. Yeah. But anywho, I was watching that program and then I got this bloody ad from YouTube.
Germans have figured out a way to increase water pressure by 15 times without using any energy.
This is a bloody German ad, not from our Chinese friends. It's gotta be good, right?
This new $110 jet pressure accelerator.
Holy crap! Did you see that? The guy's sitting there with a couple of jetpacks and he's almost bloody flying. Pete's gotta get some of that.
Harnesses the cleaning force of a hydraulic power system.
Hydraulic power system?
Germans have figured out a way to increase water pressure by 15 times without using any energy.
15 times! Woohoo!
In just 30 days, it has sold 1.8 million units.
1.8 million of those suckers!
It's called Jetsano, and it's been showcased several times by top networks such as
Jetsano! Awesome!
It was first developed for military use.
You can even wash your tank with it!
Thanks to Jetsano's patented jet pressure accelerator.
Wow, it is a jet pressure accelerator. What more can one need?
It's safe to use on your home siding and your garage.
This is gonna cost me a bloody fortune.
Plus, it fits any hose universally and attaches in seconds. And the best part? It's so easy anyone can use it regardless of age or strength.
Even old gits like me can use it.
Let Jetsano do the heavy lifting and witness years of stains and grime effortlessly.
I'm so excited!
Jetsano has sold 1.8 million units in just the last 3 days alone. You won't find Jetsano in stores like Bunnings or even Amazon. It's available only on their official website.
You gotta buy it online because it's so powerful, the government doesn't want us to have it.
Jetsano is giving away their pressure device to Kiwis over 50 years old.
That's me!
For 50% off.
That's me! You know what? I've got a lot of faith in our German friends. They make cool power tools like Bosch. So what could possibly go wrong? So my bloody water blaster's arrived, and already I can spot something not quite right. Made by our bloody Chinese friends. How bad could it bloody be? All sorts of... So what did we actually get? Sounds a bit tinny. So we've got a brassy looking thing here, a plastic handle, a 1/4 inch, some sort of valve tap. We've got some really light aluminium, and we've got a plastic garden hose connector thing. Now that sounds like a water pressure accelerator if ever I've heard it. Rightio guys, let's test these babies out. What I'm gonna do is strap one to each leg. I'll put these big poles here so I can stabilise myself when I go up. And because you guys are always worried about my safety, I've got a landing mat as well. This is gonna be awesome. What could go wrong, guys? One leg. And leg 2. Always wanted one of those jetpacks. There, I think I can do it on the cheap. Connect one. And the other one. Now, because this is so bloody dangerous, we need to put on our protective gear. Oh. I've even got a visor. I've got my poles to hold on to. I've got my mat. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Yeah! Can't be right. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Maybe if I jump up and down a bit, it might work. I think this is total bullshit. Well, hell, that was bloody disappointing. I expected more from our German friends than that. Or maybe our Chinese friends are disguised as Germans. Look at this. I could probably piss faster than this. Will it even clean the bloody drive? We've got a little bit of shit here. Let's have a go. Are you friggin' kidding me? That cannot be true. Maybe my garden tap's not on far enough. The tap's turned on. I can't believe this. I can't believe this crap. Are you kidding me? Man, this is, I can piss faster than this without my prostate pills. Yeah, that's what it'll be. It'll be the nozzle. I've got the wrong nozzle on it. We'll go to a more pressure nozzle. That's what it is. This one must be a better pressure nozzle. Oh, look at the way it's pulling that off there. No. Guys, I've seen some bullshit in my time, but this one takes the biscuit. Well, guys, did that suck or did that bloody suck? Thought I might be able to lift off the ground a little bit. Maybe I've just drank too many beers. Maybe I'm just that little bit too heavy. What do you reckon? Put in the comments below. Anyway, guys, I'm going to pull this basket of a thing to bits and let's see what the German technology is. So if we take the end off it, it's got to be something high-tech in here, right? Looks to me like a fitting with a slit cut in it. There's got to be some high-tech gadget in the other end. Actually, I think that is plastic and not even brass. Plastic hose thing. We've got a standard crappy 1/4-inch tap. Hello. There's got to be some more gadgets inside, right? Look at that, guys. There's nothing inside that at all. Absolutely bloody unbelievable. You may as well piss on whatever you're trying to clean. All this is a pipe with a tap and a hose fitting. May as well just get a hose and squeeze it. It would have more of an effect than this. This is total fucking crap. Pete got done again. That'll teach me for watching videos in the workshop, drinking beer and buying shit online. Anyway, guys, same as usual. If you like my videos, remember you can do what you want to do. And all those people who brought me a coffee, I mean a beer, thanks a lot. You're helping my alcoholism along quite nicely. And we'll see you next time, mate. Put in the comments below, guys. What do you reckon about that water blaster? If you're still watching me, you might want to get your tools featured on my channel. It's real easy. Just contact me at pete@petestools.com. And if you feel like buying Pete some giggle juice, check the link in the description below. And maybe I'll mention you on my next video. See you next time.